Hello, let's look at this question. WASSCE November December 2024, question 11b on logarithm. Alright, so given that log of base 8 to 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3 equal to 1 over 3, find the values of s. So we have what? Log of base of 18 minus s squared all divided by 2s plus 3 equal to what? 1 on 3. Alright. So I'll try and solve this particular question, okay, in two ways. Alright, so that it will help you. Whatever you want to pick, you pick. Alright. Okay, so this one side, if you get a question on log where one side is logarithm and the other side is what? A constant number without the log, then what you can do is what? You can change the whole of the logarithm to two indices or to a number in an index form. So what happens that the base here 8, okay, will go to the right hand side of the equal sign, raised to the power of the number here 1 on 3. Okay, that is one of the properties or laws of logarithm. So we will have what? 18 minus s squared all on 2s plus 3 to be equal to 8 exponent 1 on 3. Alright, then we can say that 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3, 8 can give us 2 exponent 3 times 1 over 3. Alright, so we can get 8 as 2 exponent 3, then times the exponent of 1 over 3. So we can have what? 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3 to be equal to 3 will cancel 3. 2 exponent 1 is 2 to be equal to 2. Alright. Then we multiply 2s plus 3 what? By 2. Alright, so that we have 18 minus s squared to be equal to 2 multiplying 2s plus 3. Alright, so let's expand. We have 18 minus s squared equal to 2 times 2 will give you 4x 2 3, that is 6. So we realize that we are going to get what? Definitely quadratic. So let's take all to one side and equate it to 0. And always, as if you have followed our lesson, I always prefer the coefficient of the s squared to be positive. That makes it easier for factorization. Alright, so let's take this to this side so that the coefficient of the s squared will be positive and then we factorize. So if you are taking this to this side, already we have this side as well. 4s plus 6. So 18 become minus 18. And then the minus s squared become plus s squared equal to 0. So we have taken all to one side so we can equate it to 0. Alright. Then we can rewrite the quadratic, okay, in a standard form as well. We bring the coefficient of we bring the s squared first. Alright, plus we have 4x here. And then we have what? 6 minus 18. And what will be 6 minus 18? That is minus 12 equal to 0. Alright, minus 12 equal to 0. So we have s squared plus 4s minus 12 equal to 0. Equal to 0. Okay. So we have to what? We have to factorize. So we take the coefficient of s squared, okay, it's 1. Then we multiply by negative 12, which will give negative 12. 2 factors of negative 12. That when we add, it will give us what? It will give us positive 4. Then that will be 6. And then what? And negative 2. Alright. 6 times minus 2 will give you minus 12. At the same time, 6 minus 2 will give me a positive 4. So I can write this, okay? If you like, you can split this and then you write and factorize, or you can continue and you can factorize straight forward. So you can write as s squared plus 6s minus 2s minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. So that here When I factor, I have x out, then s plus 6, okay, minus 2, and then to here 2 also come out, and I have x plus 6. Well, here is minus, and I'm putting it into brackets. The negative will become positive, so that when I expand, I'll get the same thing, equal to 0. So I have x plus 6, and the not x minus 2. Alright, equal to 0. So either s plus 6 is equal to 0, which implies s equal to what? Negative 6. Alright, or x minus 2 equal to 0, which implies s equal to 2. Therefore, s is equal to negative 6 or 2, or you can say n2. These are the values of s, negative 6 and 2, or negative 6 or 2. Alright, so these are the values of x. I think you get it, and this looks so simple. Okay, I told you that there is another way you can solve the same question. Okay, you realize that I changed this particular log to what? To indices. Alright, if you also like, you can maintain all as what? As log, and then you work it out. So let's see how it is. We can also maintain all as log and work it out. So we have what? Log of base 8, 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3 equal to 1 over 3. Alright, so here, if you like, you will not change this whole 20 indices, but you can also write both sides as logarithm depending on the base. What base do we have here? Is base 8. So I can write 1 over 3 in terms of base 8. Okay, so I can write a log of 8 18 minus s squared over 2s plus 3 equal to 1 over 3 log of 8 base 8. You see, because I'm dealing with base 8, I'm changing this one to what? Log in terms of base 8. And if I write log 8 base 8, it hasn't changed the value of this, because log 8 base 8 is what? It's 1. Okay, so 1 times 1 over 3 will still give me 1 over 3. So I want to change. So if you want to change a constant number to a particular base of a log, what you have to do is that you write the log of that number to the same base, and then you multiply by the number, because a log of a number of the same base is 1. So when I multiply by the number, I haven't changed it. Alright, so you can write this as what? Log of base 8, 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3 to be equal to log of base 8, 8 exponent 1 over 3. So this comes here to be what? To be an exponent. Is that clear? That one of the logs of logarithm. So I can write this finally as log of 8, 18 minus s squared over 2s plus 3 to be equal to, you know that 8 exponent 1 over 3, what will it give us? That is 2. So when you work it out, you can get 2. So that you have log of base 8, log of 2 to the base of what? To the base of 8. Alright, 8 exponent 1 over 3 will give us 2. And when you reach here, okay, with logarithm, if the base are the same, okay, so since we have the base to be the same on both sides of the equal sign, then what? Taking antilog of both sides, we can equate this to this. Okay, so we can equate 18 minus s squared and then 2s plus 3 2 because they have the same what? The same base. And here's a single logarithm, and here's also what? A single logarithm. So that at the end of the day, we come and get what? We come and get this one. Okay, so we can equate this because they have a single log, and they are to the same base. So 18 minus s squared all over 2s plus 3 is now equal to 2, and then you continue and solve and get your answer. Okay, so you can also use this approach, and then you get your answer. You see, it looks so simple. All right, I know I'll see you again in our next lesson as we solve more questions on the 2024 November December. Bye bye.